decided to go hiking again to the same hill. I've been inspired by this documentary called The Octopus, My Teacher. Maybe some of you have heard of it. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it. So, just the realization that nature has something special in it. I think many of us realize that, or may have, especially after the pandemic. But more importantly, it's a spiritual connection, you know. So I want to get to know this space more deeply and explore it more. It's a reflection of exploring myself in a deeper way.